There we got a 1939 Chevy Sedan. It's a subtle two-tone. Wait a minute, is that a two-tone or is it just the way to... Maybe not. Maybe not. I spoke too soon. The fender look, maybe it is. Yeah, it is. It is a subtle two-tone. Very subtle. That's how it threw me off. The fender looks is a little bit darker than the body. I like how and this fender and yeah. First I thought it was, and I thought it wasn't because of the shadow. Automatic, nice gauge package. It's got a modern interior in here, but it matches the color theme of the outside. The dash is painted to, you know, exact color as the outside. You got a wood, probably that's a real solid wood glove box, real wood wheel. You notice the gauge has the like antique lettering, engine RPM on it. You see what that is? Sweet car, man. And it always had those tiny little taillights out back, man. There's your trunk. Hinges on the outside, easy to work on. They're probably all, I bet you those are, I don't know if they're chrome or stainless. You know, I know originally they probably were chrome, but, you know, some of the stuff they got out here, it's upgraded to, you got a highway headlight, and you have your aftermarket modern style mirrors that go well with this, go perfectly with that. See that? And of course, looks like your infamous Chevy small block with an alternator, electric fan, all that stuff, dual master cylinder. A lot safer to drive. I got a single master cylinder in my Samurai, whatever you call that, the Suzuki. I call it Samurai, I don't know what the hell it is. It's Suzuki Jimny 1300. It's like a Samurai. It's got a single. It's the original one from 1985. I'm like thinking, one of these days that thing's gonna let loose. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with that shit. Anyway. But that's how they used to have single master cylinders on all the cars back then. I don't know when the duals came out, in the 60s or something. And master cylinder went, you was like, that's what they call that handbrake, the emergency brake. It was for emergencies. So, look at that massive grill.